Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to redeem AirAsia points in AirAsia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your AirAsia account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on AirAsia? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type airasia.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for AirAsia. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in AirAsia. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to redeem AirAsia points. From this homepage, you're going to have to select all of this. So you're going to select if it's a one-way trip or if it's a multi-city or round trip. Then add this adult, child, infant, or select, and then select your travel class. If you want to add, use the plus icon. If you want to subtract, use the subtract icon, and add a promo code if you want to. If you need AirAsia flights only, you can leave that in, then add your departure date and time. Now click on search. Now that takes us right into this window. Now for you to redeem Asia points, right in this window, check the top corner of your screen where you have promo code and you have redeem Asia points. So go ahead and click on redeem Asia points. And once you do that, go ahead and select the flight that you want. Let's say I'm selecting this flight. And that takes me right into this window. So over here, add baggage allowance, pick a seat, do any of this, and click on continue. That takes us here. So I'm going to have to add date of birth. Click on the calendar. Now add your number. This is India. Select I agree and click on continue. No, I'll cover my own expenses, or yes, cover my trip. That's if you need insurance. And that takes us here. So because we use redeem AirAsia, because we clicked on redeem AirAsia points initially, you can now head over here and click on say pay with AirAsia points. Now it says AirAsia points can only be used if the currency is changed to PHP. So you can head over to your home page and change the currency to PHP. And once you change the currency to PHP, come over back in here, and in this last page is the payments window. Go ahead and click on pay with AirAsia points, and after that, that's just going to be it. Then you'll be able to pay with AirAsia points. So that's it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.